Hey guys, I'm very excited to share with you on how you can make $100 on YouTube without having to be monetized yet. And try and stay until the end of the video because I'm going to give you some really great ways and steps that you can do this, and I wouldn't want you to miss a step. So the first way you want to go about in this method is obviously on YouTube. You want to provide a ton of value. And why you want to do this is because YouTube is obviously a free platform where people can get free information and value. And the reason you want to do this is because if you provide a ton of value on YouTube, people will most likely think, okay, I've got this value, I've got this information, I've got what I need, I don't exactly need more. Personally, what I think in reality, this is the complete opposite. When you give people value for something, whether it's information on whatever niche, they feel like they have to give something back. So basically, you give something value to them and they will then give something value to you. And you can basically do this with your content that you create in your videos. Now, I'm not saying you're going to sell products through your YouTube videos. I'm saying that you're actually going to get money for your actual content in your videos. If you think of how you can make sales on your e-commerce store or Shopify store through free traffic such as Facebook or Instagram. So let's say, for example, you're into the fitness niche. Okay, you got a specific video on, let's say, chest, how to build a big chest, and you've got another video on how to build, I don't know, big legs or mean looking legs or whatever it may be. You can create a simple PDF file with some steps or ways, or you could call it bonus steps that are not included in your video but related to your video. So in this example, I made a very nice Instagram step-by-step strategy on how you can get free Instagram followers and grow organically fast. And this is a document I made in a previous video, and I had a whole bunch of people asking me for this document, so I provided Dropbox links. And I mean, the amount of interest that people show just in the steps, the free steps already include, I can't imagine the sort of interest people will want to show in bonus steps. So definitely it's something you must try, and I'd like to know how it goes. So give this a try. If you ever make a video on whether it's different steps on fitness, cooking, whatever the niche is, keep some bonus steps aside for a PDF file. So you want to go to a website called gumroad.com, and this website you can upload documents such as the PDF file I explained, and you can sell it digitally through a link. And this website is not only a great way to sell your PDF files, but also to sell digital content in general. So what you want to do is you want to go to the My Accounts tab, create your account by entering your email and password, go to the Products tab or page. You can then go Add Product, select Digital Products, Normal Product. You can then select the name of your product. So I'm going to go Bonus Strategies to boost Instagram. You can then go next, or first select your price. So I'm just going to select $3 for example, click on next. So once that's entered, you want to choose the file. So navigate to the document or directory that you've saved your document, and you want to just open that. It will open up on the website. You can also select your price of the document, so I'm going to keep mine at $3. You can click next to customize it. You can then add a nice picture to increase its branding or general look on the website. You can add a description, you can add more files, and you get your own special link that you can share in your videos. So for example, you can say link down below for the bonus strategies on this, etc. You can then save changes on this website, click publish, and start sharing your link and start seeing a whole bunch of sales. So the nice thing about this method, as I spoke about free Instagram traffic, you can use this PDF file to direct traffic or funnel traffic to your channel, and vice versa. You can use this PDF file to funnel traffic from YouTube to your Instagram page, but mainly for getting people from via free traffic through Instagram or Facebook to your PDF file and then to YouTube. So what you can do is you can go look through your channel, have a look at your videos, determine which ones you've got. So I could now create a PDF file along the lines, an extra 3 bonus steps that will boost your Instagram followers even faster. And people want these files, they want to download them. So this is a great way to really get some extra dollars and quite a lot of money over time on YouTube. And if you think about all the couple of views that I'm getting, that I'm already getting these people interested for the download links. So I know this will work for a lot of channels, And if you do need help with this, send me a DM on Instagram at jfroneman. Leave a comment down below what you think of the strategy and if you think it will help you and if you are going to try it. And let me know in the comments if you've used something like this before and if it has worked for you, so you can help others as well. And share this video with your friends if you found it useful, if you think someone is looking to make some extra money on YouTube. And also leave a like if you enjoyed this video, it will mean a lot. And subscribe if you're new to receive some great content on how you can make money online, boost your social media network, and succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.